What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add page in your PDF file. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. Head over to your PDF folder or the application you use to make PDF, and once you're there, select your PDF file. And as you can see, I have opened my PDF file and I want to add a blank page to my PDF. So what I have to do is, suppose it's gone and we just have to add a page to our PDF. Click on edit, then go to organize pages, and as you can see there are 3 pages in my file. So I want to add a page after the third page. All I have to do is click on insert, then go to blank page, or I can click on, if I hover on the page, there will be a 3-dot menu, and there I have to click on insert blank page. In these both ways, from insert page to hovering on it, I can add a blank page to my PDF file. And yeah, that's it. If I show you guys, a blank page is added to my PDF file. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.